Anyway, guys, this is someone Pinzon Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe it, so like it, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. For I love you. One thing about Musa Kaula, he doesn't care about anyone and he doesn't take anyone seriously, guys. The only thing you can do is to invite the police and go to his house. That's the only way he's gonna take you serious. So for those who don't know, last week we all know that Musa Kaula, he was the first one to post Ife's reveal yaka alleged to be husband yaka Lerato Nxumalo. Nxumalo came out after that saying that she will be suing everyone, including fake pages on Instagram and Facebook. So yesterday Musa Kaula, guys, received a letter of demand from Lerato Nxumalo's lawyers, and this is what Musa Kaula posted lapana ku Twitter, guys. Musa Kaula is not taking anyone serious. He posted the letter with a caption, "I'm Musa Innocent Kaula Lerato Nxumalo Sana Xoxo Nkqoli Gossip Girl." So people are saying, they don't see the reason why Musa Kaula should apologize, because there's a lot of people and people are saying, Musa Kaula, he's not the first one to post the picture. There's a page lapana go Instagram, is the one that posted alleged to be a husband yaka Lerato Nxumalo. So they are stating in the letter to say that Musa Kaula needs to delete everything and also apologize within 48 hours, guys. If he doesn't do so, they will take legal action against him. So guys, it seems like Musa Kaula, he doesn't care. People went on to say that Musa, please next time say alleged. Tina, we all know the alleged is the truth. You never lie, share. Somebody went on to say that why she's hiding him for. It's not like when we go out as couple, people cannot see them and they won't take pictures. Some people are saying, she's being totally unfair to Musa Kaula, because at the end of the day, she's the one who started posting low husband work. Some are saying, she could have just kept quiet and not say anything. She's dating or she's married, something like that. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.